Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by arranging the solo deck and selecting 3 objectives that define this run. Once done, place your marker on track 1 and draw a single encounter to trigger immediate choices. You'll decide between a time-based run or a high-score chase. Pick now because your initial resource allocation follows that choice. Make sure to distribute 5 starting resources into offense, defense, and mobility. This shapes your early options and why the first move matters for tempo. Once you've committed to your initial path, focus on managing risk and sequencing actions efficiently. You should alternate standard moves with occasional boosted actions that cost 2 resources. This preserves momentum while delivering higher impact. Make sure to use cover and tactical retreats to prevent accumulated damage and watch your exhaustion track. Overextending costs future turns. If an opportunity arises to trade objectives for a better payoff, take it. Because flexible objectives can net roughly 10% more reward. You close the run by conserving at least 1 resource for the final turn. This allows you to secure remaining objectives or make an escape move. Then, tally your score. Add objective bonuses and subtract penalties for exhaustion and lost items to determine your outcome. If things go wrong and you become stuck, follow a quick troubleshoot. Reset the current encounter, remove 1 hazard that blocked progression, and replay the final 2 turns. This preserves challenge while letting you learn what failed and why.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.